A dense, overgrown forest hides forgotten secrets, its cool air hinting at a mysterious past. Hidden within the dense forest, a forgotten classic car emerges, a poignant relic of time's passage. Rusted chrome, pitted and flaking, reveals the relentless decay of time on this forgotten vehicle.
Through shattered glass and creeping moss, the sky hints at the car's long abandonment.
A corroded door handle resists, a subtle creak echoing the car's long slumber.
A winch cable attaches to the classic car, beginning its journey from forest to restoration. From dense forest to pristine workshop, the classic car begins its dramatic transformation.
A high-pressure water jet blasts away grime, revealing faded paint beneath. A satisfying transformation.
A corroded brake caliper is unbolted, revealing the full extent of the system's decay. With raw effort, a stubborn suspension bolt yields, revealing the car's grimy undercarriage. In the stripped engine bay, a brittle wiring harness is meticulously cut, isolating the engine. A heavy engine hoist lifts the greasy engine, a significant milestone of removal.
High pressure right there.
Okay, I feel it releasing now. Are the bottom clips clear?
Yes, they are free.
Gloved hands tear away moldy carpet, revealing a hidden rust hole, a grim discovery.
The dashboard, completely disassembled, reveals the intricate inner workings of the car's control center.
The bare metal frame, stripped and exposed, reveals rust spots and hidden vulnerabilities.
A crane dramatically lifts the stripped car body, a pivotal moment of deconstruction. A crane dramatically lifts the stripped car body, a pivotal moment of deconstruction.
The stripped car chassis sits on jack stands, revealing intricate bare metal, ready for refurbishment.
Inside the sandblasting cabinet, rust peels away, revealing pristine silver metal beneath. A solvent-soaked rag wipes away decades of grime, revealing clean engine metal beneath.
Gloved hands use compressed air, meticulously blowing dust from intricate engine crevices.
A split screen reveals the dramatic transformation, rusted engine block to pristine bare metal.
A massive engine block submerges in a boiling hot tank, intense cleaning in progress.
A precision machine hones a cylinder bore, creating a distinct crosshatch pattern for perfection.
Gloved hands polish a crankshaft on a lathe, revealing a mirror-like finish. A satisfying transformation.
Gloved hands use a tap to clean bolt hole threads, ensuring perfect seating for fasteners.
Gloved hands expertly spray engine enamel, transforming dull metal into a vibrant, glossy color.
Freshly painted engine parts dry under heat lamps, reflecting a warm, inviting glow.
The car chassis, sandblasted to pristine bare metal, signals a dramatic rebirth.
Gloved hands expertly weld a new metal patch, bright arcs and golden sparks showcasing craftsmanship.
Gloved hands apply thick epoxy primer to the car's frame, creating a uniform protective coat. Gloved hands shape a body panel on an English wheel, showcasing traditional metal craftsmanship.
New period-correct carpet is precisely cut and fitted, renewing the car's interior with historical accuracy.
A transmission casing reveals intricate gears and shafts, pristine and lightly oiled. A mechanical marvel.
Gloved hands carefully install a new synchro, a precise click ensuring smooth gear changes. The pristine, painted engine block sits on its stand. Assembly begins, a critical milestone.
Gloved hands compress piston rings, carefully inserting a piston into the cylinder bore.
Gloved hands gently lower the heavy crankshaft, perfectly aligning it with the main bearings. Gloved hands torque cylinder head bolts, a precise click ensuring engine integrity. Gloved hands install the intake manifold, new gaskets sealing perfectly for engine completion. Gloved hands connect wiring harness plugs, meticulously bringing the engine's electrical system online. Gloved hands install new cooling hoses, a satisfying push and click for engine health. Gloved hands align the engine and transmission with chassis mounts, a pivotal reassembly moment.
Gloved hands systematically fill the engine, transmission, and differential with pristine fluids. Gloved hands carefully install a chrome bumper, a precise click adding aesthetic grandeur.
Gloved hands bolt in a newly upholstered seat, a rhythmic click-click completing the luxurious interior. Gloved hands perform a final detail check, wiping down gleaming chrome for a pristine finish.
Gloved hands install the final emblem, a precise click completing the car's exterior identity.
Gloved hands carefully place the car's key into the ignition, building anticipation for the first start.
The fully restored classic car gleams under workshop lights, a triumphant culmination of countless hours.
A glamour shot captures the restored classic's perfect lines and gleaming paint, a work of art reborn. The restored classic's rear three-quarters, bathed in golden light, highlights flawless bodywork and chrome. The car door opens slowly, revealing the pristine, restored interior, bathed in golden light. The fuel pump primes with a soft whir, a mechanic's gloved hand pressing the throttle for ignition. The tachometer needle sweeps dramatically as the engine fires to life with a magnificent roar.
The engine idles smoothly, valve covers subtly vibrating, a deep, satisfying mechanical symphony.
The restored classic car rolls out into golden hour sunlight, a breathtaking symbol of rebirth. A drone orbits the majestic classic, parked at sunset, vibrant colors reflecting its rebirth.
Rusty parts on a workbench, dust motes dancing, hint at the methodical task ahead.
Disassembled suspension components lie scattered, revealing the system's intricate complexity and raw state.
Gloved hands document original parts with a camera, meticulously capturing serial numbers and history. Gloved hands peel away cracked upholstery, revealing brittle foam and the extent of interior damage.
The bare metal floor pan reveals large rust holes, light shining through, emphasizing structural damage.
Gloved hands precisely apply new upholstery to a repaired seat frame, a crisp THW securing fabric. Gloved hands assemble new brake calipers, rotors, and pads, a rhythmic click-click and thud for safety. Gloved hands install new suspension components, a satisfying push and click for renewed ride quality. Gloved hands install new engine accessories like the alternator, A precise click, completing auxiliary systems. Gloved hands install new engine accessories like the alternator. A precise click, completing auxiliary systems. Gloved hands install exhaust manifolds, new studs, and gaskets, ensuring a perfect seal and powerful sound. Gloved hands carefully install side windows, a gentle push and squeeze for a perfect seal. Gloved hands make a final headlight alignment, ensuring perfect functionality and aesthetics.
Gloved hands meticulously wipe down the pristine dashboard, ensuring every surface is immaculate.
Gloved hands carefully install a pristine rear-view mirror, completing the cockpit's elegance. The mechanic circles the uncovered classic, capturing its flawless profile and intricate details.
An extreme close-up reveals a perfect panel gap, crisp paint reflection, and the hum of perfection.
The opened hood reveals a spotless, perfectly assembled engine bay, a powerful work of mechanical art.
The engine revs for the first time, a deep, guttural roar erupting from the exhaust pipes.
The restored classic drives away, dappled sunlight on its gleaming surface, a symbol of freedom. The speedometer needle sweeps across the dial, accelerating with thrilling, visceral speed.
Split screen, rusted decay in the forest contrasts dramatically with the gleaming, restored car at sunset.
The pristine, fully assembled engine gleams on its stand, ready for final assembly.
Gloved hands meticulously install new brake lines, bending them perfectly along chassis contours. Gloved hands meticulously connect cooling system hoses, a gentle squeeze and click for engine health. Gloved hands carefully install the steering wheel, a satisfying click, completing the cockpit. Gloved hands install interior door panels, a precise C-lick and tap-tap, restoring elegance. Gloved hands make a final trunk lid alignment, ensuring a subtle click and perfect fit. The fully restored classic car gleams under workshop lights, ready for its grand reveal.